Oh, that's not so good, is it?
Nah,
Shouldn't go flat that quick, should it?
wouldn't think so. You never had any ignition on or anything, did you?
5 minutes.
We'll switch it off and leave it for 5 minutes. I think there's something wrong with the battery on the GS, so I've had a rummage about and I've found a bit of power cord. So we're just transferring the electricity from the Strom into the GS and hopefully that'll make it go. We have tried to bump start it but it won't bump. So hopefully we'll come back in about 10-15 minutes with a bike that's running. And there we go, we've got a working GS, all thanks to a little bit of power cable that I found on a skip. So there we go. Upstairs for thinking, downstairs for dancing. So that's us now going to get on our way and we can get back up the road. Aye, well that was a bit of a disaster, but the disaster was averted. Yeah, fixed it with a piece of electrical cord.
Alright, good for you then.
We just jump started the bike off with a bit of wire, you know your wire that you wire up your sockets with.
Yeah.
Just jumped it between bikes. It's amazing what you can do when you've nothing. Thanks for your help.
Thank you.
Aye.
She's not.
That might be the AA. Yes, so anyway, as I was saying, I think Alex left his ignition on when we were having our chips and it's flattened the battery. So a little rummage off a skip and I found a piece of cord and just bridged it between the two charging ports because we've both got the Optimates. And
That was good, sir.
that got it going. Who was that?
That was the AA.
What were they saying?
That was the AA guy. Just asked me to get it going.
And did you say to them, well, the bus mechanic fixed it?
No, I looked for a bit of wire and I managed to jump it. John gave me a hand.
Oh, so you took all the credit for it?
I'm okay.
Even though you were sitting greeting, bubbling your face off in the curb while I was away looking for a wire.
I just went for another chippy.
You're sitting there greeting like a wee lassie and I'm away with the solutions.
GS, remember?
Aye, GS Jesse. Oh, I'm knackered.
How were you doing like?
What was I doing? Oh, you were alright, you were sat on the bike while I was pushing it up all the bloody hills. And pushing you off it.
What was that saying? Up there for that, thinking, down there for?
Thinking.
Sure, you're not going to write down then? Did you go straight on here? Or right?
I'm not sure.
Go right.
Go right. Oh, there's the police. Oh, they were going to have a party for us. That's the fixed it party.
That was good thinking, yeah.
See, I'm not just a pretty face, you know. That's my survival skills kicking in, Alex. Some of the mad things I've done at work to get vehicles back to their garages.
That's quite handy though, because if everybody's got what we've got, then we can jumpstart any bike if the battery goes flat. I think my battery's on the way out though.
I definitely need to get a new battery for it. Bike speed on Monday, battery. Got to remember, that'll probably be the original battery, Alec.
Oh, we took the original one out last time, didn't we?
No, it wasn't that bike.
Is that?
No, was it no that cruiser thing? What big?
Yeah, KX 1400.
What was it, the Kawasaki?
Aye.
Is that the one we changed the battery? I knew we changed the battery on one of them, it certainly wasn't the GS.
Oh, I think it was a Kawasaki.
Yes, I think you're right. Oh my, oh, hi everyone! Left my indicator on, so I pressed the horn to turn it off. We'll just get a new battery ordered up for it. I'll not be dear for a battery. Hi there. It just shows you how you can improvise with things that you find lying about.
Yep.
And with that power cable, that was actually better than what I was actually looking for. Because obviously it's a heavier gauge wire that's in it and they're stiff. So we didn't have to hold it.
That was good thinking, seriously.
Drem. I've not been to Drem for ages. A good few years anyway.
Yeah.
Nah, it's a lovely little village.
It's cracking, mate.
Well kept. Just look at it. Nah, for as nice as this is, it's still too close to Edinburgh for my liking. I would just like to get away into the Midland area.
Well, that was definitely an interesting run out today.
Yep. Well, you weren't expecting the GS to have a wee hissy fit.
That's the ignition on. Which meant the nav 6 was on at the bike.
The lights were on. ECU's powered on.
Yep.
So it's just draining power.
So.
Which I'm surprised because your lights are all LED. And they don't take a lot of drain. They don't drain a lot of power.
These spots are probably on as well. Just if you had about an up in it.
Aye.
I had my phone plugged in.
And you were wanting to charge up my car though? You would see if I did let you charge up my car though, you would have blamed me for that.
I would have.
Aye, you would have.
I wouldn't.
You would.
I wouldn't have fucking charged. I wouldn't have charged it probably flat at that point.
Nah, you would have blamed me. I know what you're like. You would have gave me the guilt trip all the way home.
I didn't give him the guilt trip.
No, you just smacked them in the purse.
No.
Round we go.
We're going down the motorway, Joe Carriageway.
Joe Carriageway, hi there. You've got your TikTok on, you're not turning left. Hi there, hello. You can use the right lane to turn left here as well, Alec.
Yeah.
Just in case these banjos take their time, eh? There's TT features, he'll probably gun it off the line, eh?
You can go in that way anyway, can you?
Aye, 2 lanes for turning left. Oh, look at the traffic ahead. Oh!
It's too late.
Oh, these nuggets all queued up. This is why we've got bikes. So we're not having to sit in traffic like this.
Couldn't admit us to see you coming. It's like, whoa.
No, especially with the lights that we've got on, eh? Well, certainly I've got
mine on.
I've got mine on, eh? Mines are always on. Hashtag always on.
I just didn't put them on because of the battery.
No.
Well, I don't think you've an issue now, would they?
Nah.
That's the button. He's your typical dickhead.
A walloper. You'll get down there.
Side.
A big chicken.
So then you come round that side here.
I see it. Hello. Aye, I know. Idiots. Look at them, they're away. I wonder what they're doing here because that used to be open.
No. Probably the military or something like that.
Aye.
I am not switching this off, by the way.
No, leave it running. I'm switching mine off though, eh?
How's my flag look?
Oh, it looks good. It looks good. Right, let's get a wee pit stop. A wee Penelope pit stop. Right, I'm going to have a vape. I need to take my hat off. Cause I can't vape with my hat on, eh? Well, not with this hat anyway.
I wish you to be switched that off.
No, I didn't. Well, it'll start again. Hi there. It's starting to get a bit cooler now, eh?
You can feel the difference, eh?
Yeah. Especially when you've no zipped up your trousers.
Maybe we're out nice and long with the long johns on and stuff.
No. The base layers. Is that a couple of spits of rain on the
Yep.
on the windy? You'll go straight over the roundabout and I'll take a left at McDonald's.
Right.
I'll go up that way. I think it's going to have a nice wee downpour.
I guess it's just a big black cloud there, eh? I left here.
Right, Alec, I'll catch you later.
There, cheers, Sean.
Toodaloo.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm still here.
Sean.
No,
bye.
yet. Bye. See ya.
Yeah.
Well, that was an enjoyable day out and an unplanned breakdown, but with a little bit of ingenuity we managed to get the bike started. So we stood the 80 down, or Alex stood the 80 down, and we got the beamer started. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to invest in a little boost pack for the bike and just carry it, because if that was to happen again and we didn't have that bit wire, then we could be up the creek without a paddle. And I don't like going up creeks without paddles. Much prefer to have an onboard motor. So yeah, a little bit of wire saved today, and I've saved a little bit of wire that's in the top box. So if anything like that happens again, we've at least got half a chance of getting one of the bikes started. So on that note, I hope you have made it this far, and if you have, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.